a high school student, eyes alight with curiosity, spots a flyer for an art exhibition on endangered animals. Determination sparks in the protagonist's eyes as he decides to create his own exhibit to raise awareness. Unexpected complications arise as the venue gets double booked with a trendy pop-up cafe stealing the spotlight. Despite setbacks, the artists express their passion through their creations, catching the eye of a renowned art critic. The critic's glowing review ignites a spark, drawing a larger crowd than the young artists had ever imagined. As success beckons, a twist unfolds as the antagonist attempts to overshadow the exhibit's impact with commercial allure. Despite the distractions, the artist's message resonates, spreading awareness about endangered animals and capturing hearts. In a moment of unity, the community embraces the artist's message, leaving them content with the impact they've made. As the day fades, Hiroshi and Sakura stand together, their art shining through, a beacon of change and awareness in a world in need.